Hey there, let's talk about climate change. Our planet is a delicate ecosystem, and right now it's sending out an SOS. Global temperatures are rising, extreme weather is becoming more frequent, and our ecosystem are under unprecedented stress. But there's the thing, we're trying to make a difference. I'm Pau, and I'm an architect living in Barcelona, so I'm focusing my final project into buildings. We architects are a major players to beat global climate change. This is why I created the carbon footprint calculator, educational Python tool designed to understand the environmental impact of our building projects. It helps to answer crucial questions like how much carbon do my construction materials emit, what's the carbon impact of different building types, and how does energy efficiency play a key role in emission. Let's break down how this works. This calculator uses predefined emission factors from different materials and building types and asks you for different input like total building area, building type, energy efficiency level, and finally the different materials of our building and their quantities. The script does the math for you, calculating emissions from the building itself, from construction materials, and the total annual carbon emissions. And finally, it asks you to export a report to CSV. So we are going straight to the project, and we have four different definitions. The first one for calculating the building emission of using this building. After that, they calculate material carbon impact about all the different materials. After that, to generate a report, an easy report here in the terminal, and finally to ask you to export this report to CSV. So let's try it. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and start the test. First of all, it's asking for the main characteristics of the building. For example, the test project name, like test project. After that, the total building area, for example, 2000. The building type, I make this three, but there are different options. Residential. After that, it has the energy efficiency, for example, low, and it starts to ask you different materials like concrete. And after that, the quantity is 2000, for steel, 300, wood, 200. And after we are finished, we just write done, and here is the report and ask you to, if you want to export this to CSV, I write yes, and it is export like here, that we could see this final quantities. Thank you very much.